I want to talk about another big international story, and they are those reports that Saudi Arabia, Helima, is planning to cut its crude exports to U.S. refiners after the Senate voted to cut funding for the Saudi war in Yemen. See, Helima, how much is this relationship unraveling, and how big a deal is this?
I mean, I think the Saudi decision to send exports to the U.S. potentially to a 30-year low, I'm not sure that's tied to Khashoggi. I think it's more tied to their fiscal imperatives. The Saudis did this in 2017 as well. They understand that U.S. data releases are the most widely read by the market. And so basically, if you can influence the inventory story from the U.S., you can potentially get prices higher. That said, on the Senate vote yesterday, I mean, I think we're at a new low in U.S.-Saudi relations. We haven't been this strained since 9/11. And even though the president continues to back Saudi Crown Prince, the Senate is drawing a line in the sand on the Khashoggi killing.
Michelle, we were watching the oil price. It actually it went up a little bit yesterday because of this, but it's still been on this big downward slide. What happens next?
So my question, I don't know if it's going to work for the Saudis, right? Because even if they cut production, remember, we're the swing producer here in the United States, and we don't have this, top-down government control about oil production. The minute the price starts to rise, you can see U.S. producers step back in. I mean, the Saudis have fallen on their sword before when it comes to, cutting production, because nobody else will, right? Nobody else will. So they'll cut production in the hopes that the price of oil will go up. And if it doesn't happen, it's going to be really, for a waste. They're going to lose money because they're going to have lower production, and they're still not going to have a higher price.